Hi everyone, and welcome back to the HitPaw channel. We're excited to announce that HitPaw FotorPea has been upgraded to version 5.6. Let's take a look at the biggest new features you won't want to miss. Before we get started, click the link in the comments to download HitPaw FotorPea and try it for yourself. First up, a smarter AI agent. When you open HitPaw FotorPea, you'll find the new AI agent right on the home screen. There's no need to open the enhancer separately. Simply drag a blurry photo into the chat box. The AI agent will automatically identify any image quality issues and enhance your photo quickly and intelligently. The second update is the low-light enhancement model. Photos taken at night can often look dark, blurry, or grainy. Our new low-light enhancement model improves clarity, reduces noise, and brightens your images while preserving as much detail as possible. The third update is AI reflection removal. HitPaw FotorPea can now remove distracting reflections from eyeglasses, glass, windows, and other reflective surfaces. It naturally restores obscured details while maintaining the original image quality. The fourth update is AI Reframe. AI Reframe intelligently improves composition, perspective, lighting, and subject focus. The result is a more natural, visually appealing image that presents your subject at its very best. And finally, we have artistic text effects. The image editor now supports a variety of artistic fonts and text styles, making your images more expressive and design-focused. It's an easy way to bring your creative text ideas to life. And those are the biggest updates in HitPaw FotorPea 5.6. We hope these new features help you enjoy the creative process and achieve even better results. Download HitPaw FotorPea today and start creating.